Hi friends, welcome to Career Launcher IAS. Today we're going to talk about our student online platform which we call Aspiration.ai. Now Aspiration.ai is an AI enabled platform which you're going to use if you enroll for any courses with Career Launcher IAS, or be it say Career Launcher. So this platform will give you access to all the services that are allotted to you, whether it is video classes, whether it is recording of the classes, whether it is ebooks, whether it is class notes. So everything will come into one place, which is called Aspiration.ai. Now let's understand what are the Aspiration.ai tabs and how you can go about Aspiration.ai easily. So now first you need to go to the its URL Aspiration.ai. Once you type in the URL, it will ask for the welcome screen comes in, which will ask for your username and password. Your username is by default your registered email ID with Career Launcher. And if you don't remember your password, you can just click on forgot password link and you can retrieve your password. Once you enter your username and the password, you can just log in into your system. So once you log in into it, if you are a Career Launcher IAS student, this is how your screen will look like. Okay, this is having multiple tabs which will give you access to multiple services, which I am going to explain it to you. So this is the home screen for your Career Launcher IAS course that you have joined with us. Now here you can get access to your profile, you can get to know your name, date of birth and any other thing that is being captured by the system. If you wanted, it is to be changed, you can write us an email on support@careerlauncher.com. Okay. If you have any issue during the course, any point in time, you can connect with me at himanshu.tyagi@careerlauncher.com, or you can write a mail to support@careerlauncher.com. Now, this particular tab, I'll explain you tab by tab what are the features of it and what you can get from this Aspiration.ai system. Now, the first tab is basically taking you to our YouTube channel. Okay, so we have a YouTube channel where we launch a lot of free videos which are very important for a UPSC aspirant. So all those videos you can just click on this YouTube tab and you can just go to the YouTube channel of Career Launcher IAS. Okay. So once you click in, it will take you to the Career Launcher UPSC YouTube channel. You can watch all the videos that we have put in out here. Now let's go back to the Aspiration.ai. The second tab is called Prelims Booster. These are basically everyday current affairs tests that has been allotted to you. So we do daily tests for current affairs from various sources which are available into this Prelims Booster series. You will get access to all the previous tests that has happened in last 1.5 years. So you'll keep on getting access till your Aspiration.ai access is valid. Okay. Now the next tab is My Classes. Now here you will get the schedule of the batch that has been allotted to you. So if you are into a live class program where your classes are running live, you can check your weekly schedule from here. For example, for this particular student, there is a session scheduled for him on 13th of March, 5 to 7, which is UPSC Ethics Introduction session. So that's how you can check out your schedule for the week from My Class tab. In the demo classes, so if you have not enrolled for any Career Launcher course, for example, if you have not enrolled for Career Launcher IAS courses, still you can create an account on Aspiration.ai. You just need to go to Aspiration.ai homepage and just click on create new account. Now once you log in into your free account, you have an access to demo classes where you can watch the classes which are provided as demo classes to you, and you can check out the quality of the faculty, quality of the content that Career Launcher IAS provide before taking the decision of joining any Career Launcher IAS course. So all the classes in English medium and Hindi medium demo classes are available out here, and you can check out the how faculty is teaching you, how they are delivering content. Then comes My Report tab. Now My Report tab tells you your story, how you are doing as far as the course structure is concerned. So it will tell you how many videos that you have watched till now out of the total videos that has been allotted to you, how many mocks that you have done, if there are section tests or topic tests allotted to you, how many are there and how many you have attempted, okay, how many videos you have watched, and it will also give you some idea about how you are doing, what is your users, how many mocks you have attempted, what is your performance into the recent mocks. So everything is available into that My Report tab. Then comes the mock test tab. So if there is a test series allotted in your course, if your course is a part of a test series also, all your mock tests are available into the mock test section. So here you can check out the schedule of your test series. There's no test series allotted to this student, so not working right now. Your mocks can be attempted from mock section. And then if you have attempted any mock, your analysis, so these mocks are allotted to you. Schedule is not showing because all the mocks are live now. So all the mocks are already allotted to the student. So he can, just click on the take test and, start his test. There are instructions provided, and then probably he can start the test and, start doing the test. This test will be as per the UPSC examination pattern if it is a mock IAS examination. So you have questions, you can just check out questions, answer them, and then submit test based on that. Once you submit your test will be available into the analysis section. Your scoring, your drill down analysis, topic wise analysis, how you have done into the test, what is the cutoff, are you crossing the cutoff or not, everything is available into the mock result analysis section. And so this student have not given any test till now, so that is why analysis is not showing. So that's about the mock test tab. The next tab is extremely important tab. This is videos tab. This is where you will find all your videos, all the class videos that has been done in your class. So if you have attended a live class or if you have not attended a live class, if you wanted to re-attend your class, you can just go to the video section and you can watch the recording of the class as per your time convenience. Now all the classes that has been done in this particular batch, subject wise, are allotted to the student and he can watch them any number of time till the time his access is going. Okay, so that this is a very important section for any student. There is an option of filtering the classes. You can just reach out to your class way faster if you use those filters. Then comes the notes tab. Now here all the class notes that has been allotted to you, that faculty has provided to you, are available. So you can just view those notes, you can download those notes from here, whatever, you can take printout of those notes. So for every class there will be class notes which are allotted to you into the notes section. So you can find your notes, you can download, take a printout, whatever you wanted to do. Then comes the next tab, which is e-library, which is basically online ebooks allotted to you. So these are basically NCERT from class 6 to 12th in Hindi and English. All the NCERTs are in downloadable format, are available out here. You can read it from there. Then there is a mentoring session tab where we do a lot of sessions from ex-IAS officer and serving IAS officer. Just like on 13th of March we are doing one session with G. Subbarao sir, who is an ex-IAS officer and an ethics author. So these mentoring session will start showing into the mentoring session tab. Your payment detail will come in payment tab. Any ebooks allotted to you, the course study material will comes into the ebook section. So for example, if I go to this tab, there are 11 ebooks allotted to this particular student because he is a GS Foundation student and he can read those ebooks from here. Then comes your Join the Dots. It is again a very extremely important tab where you will find your current affairs magazines for the month. So what we do, we provide 4 different types of magazines to a student on a monthly basis, which are based on current affairs, Kurukshetra, Yojana, and there is a prelims question series from current affairs. So all these magazines can be accessed from Join the Dots tab. Your daily current affair notes are there in current affairs tab where you can check out your daily current affair notes. And there are certain games also provided in case you are bored with the studies and you wanted to have a refreshing academic games related session. So there are some academic games that we have created for you which can be accessed from the games tab. So this is all about aspiration.ai. This is one-stop solution for every student where you can access every services that is being provided to you from one particular place only. I just missed, in case you wanted to attend a live class with Career Launcher, it is also available on aspiration.ai. This is basically, I'm really sorry. So for your live classes, there is an upcoming WebEx session link where you can just click on this link and you can start your live class where the live class timing is mentioned out here. So this is all about aspiration.ai. I wish you all the very best for your UPSC exam preparation and I welcome all of you to Career Launcher courses. Explore us and join us and make your dream come true of becoming a civil servant. Thank you so much.